Hey there, this is the Awesome Cell Phone here with a little helpful tip that hopefully you can use. Have you ever gone to plug in your iPhone to charge and it does this? And you get nothing? Go ahead. Well, half the time the charge port is bad and can be replaced, but the other half is that you've got pocket lint built up in here that needs to be cleaned out. And you can't really tell from here because it doesn't focus very well, but every time you put it in your pocket, little lint and debris gets caught in there, and every time you plug it in, it just jams it in there a little bit more. So I'm going to have Hector here, our repair tech, go over how to safely clean your charge port.
Alrighty guys, so the trick of it is there is about 4 or 5 pins on the bottom of the port. On the top of it, there's only plastic. So all you gotta do is, we use this SIM ejector tool. You can also use a paper clip and just go over the pins and start scraping up to the point where you get all that gunk out.
Wow, look at that. That was built up in there.
And there we are. So as I mentioned, the trick of it is being careful, going over the pins. If you are very careful, all you'll end up is just a little bit of pocket lint. Now, if by any chance you do go on the bottom of the port where the pins are at, it's very fragile and it's really easy to break. So it is only at your own risk to do it. But if for any reason you feel uncomfortable with it, we definitely are able to do this free of charge. And for any other reason we have to replace the charge port, the prices always start at $39.95.
Perfect. Yeah, so definitely bring it in. If you have any questions, we offer free diagnostics, and if you got any questions, give us a call. We're here for you, 512-432-5528. Hope this helps, and have a great day.